Here's this 2018 Carrier Sentry heat pump in Texas. It is a 2-ton CH14 or 14 SEER model. There's a reversing valve right there. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor in it. And there's your GE disconnect box. Line set's very well insulated. And then over here we got this brand new American Standard silver.
It's used.
I guess it's not brand new.
2018.
2018, I think that's a 4-ton heat pump. The energy guide's already almost pretty much completely worn off. And I assume that's the company that installed the unit. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching.